Let your kids get out and have some fun this summer in these neutral runners from ASICS. This lightweight design uses a textile and synthetic upper with a nice paneled look with reinforcement on the heel and the toe for durability. It has a unique lace-up for a super secure fit with a very padded interior made with seamless construction to reduce irritation, giving them a lot of comfort as they're wearing these. The footbed in the very bottom is ortholite. It's moisture wicking and memory foam to give them extra cushioning underfoot with keeping that healthy, with a so light midsole in the middle that has a very lightweight compound that's better than ASICS standard EVA foam midsoles. It's got enhanced cushioning and durability, which goes well with the Rearfoot and the forefoot gel tech. That gel allows better shock absorption during impact and toe-off phases and creates a better stride throughout their gait cycles. The outsole is the AHAR rubber that has high abrasion rubber in high critical areas, so they're going to have a great grip and exceptional durability, perfect for them learning how to run.